Hi, I'm Lynette,
And I'm Johan.
and we bought a cabin on a ship.
Yes, we did. And
Today's video is about, really,
yeah, it's about our Aquabana.
our floaty thingy.
Yeah, at the end of this, you'll have like a 2.5 minute, 3-minute video of them assembling it and us using it for tender service.
I'm super excited about it. It'll be fun to get on a kayak and take off from there, or, just swim.
Yeah, exactly. It's mainly meant for safety when we have a little rougher seas, because not really rough seas that we can't do tender at all, but sometimes the waves moves the tender too much up and down. This one is supposed to float with the ocean, so the tender and it moves together.
So it provides a bridge between the ship and the tender.
That's the whole idea. Then they also have a swimming pool set up, this and that. So that's something they just tried to assemble it, and they did it in 5 hours. But that was with breaking up all the boxes and getting it all started from scratch. I talked to some of the engineers and the crew there, and they said that they hope to get it down to like 2.5 hours when they are better at it. So this was the first go, and I was pretty impressed with how they did it.
I was really impressed too, yeah.
Yeah, but we also have something else here that Lynette's been working on a little bit. Can you share that?
I learned about something called 4K walking tours. So it's designed to take you along with us. There's no commentary, so there's no talkie-talkie. But you'll hear all the natural sounds, and you'll go into markets and ports and everything that we see, and we're gonna give it a try.
Yeah, there are some YouTube channels out there with over 200,000 plus followers, people that just want to put on this kind of walking tour in a town or out in the boonies in the landscape somewhere.
Or they just, they want to just listen to it in the background. They're much longer videos, so you're talking, 30 minutes, 45, maybe 2 hours.
Yeah, but we will mark that clearly. You'll see that on the thumbnail, If you enjoy it, cool. If there's something you don't like, that's cool too. We'll still do our regular videos as well.
Yeah, we'll put it in a separate playlist, so you know that it's the walking tours and not our vlogs.
Yeah.
We'll keep doing our vlogs.
Yeah, we will. Hopefully it'll be more frequent, but we keep saying that all the time, so one day that'll come true.
We have a lot of content.
We have a lot of material and some back material as well we're going to show. So.
Yeah, so it's something that I'm able to do, and we're already there in the ports, and we're traveling the world, so why not show it to you all?
Yeah, there's so much stuff. It's so nice to take in the sounds of the scenery and just watch it. So we'll share that. So yeah, enjoy the video. Ciao. Check this out. They're working on the Aquabana. Yeah, here we go. Something else is happening here. The wind's not really helping them here. Okay, they took a little weather delay. There was a little little storm coming through. They had no luck with the weather. Okay, check this out. Here they come. Okay, they're getting ready for departure. And there they go. First successful tender service at our Aquabana.